Hello and welcome to the Extract Pages walkthrough. In this video, I'll describe the Extract Pages functionality. I'll split a document and start a new process in the portal, and I'll describe considerations for using Extract Pages. So let's start with a business case. Extract Pages is used when you have a fax or a scanned image that contains multiple work items, and they need to be extracted out of the image to create new documents and start new processes. So here we have a source process. It has some data. It has a couple documents, a driver's license, and a personal loan application. It's a TIFF. If we were to open that, the personal loan application, in our TIFF viewer, we'd find that not only does it contain a personal loan application form, it also contains a business loan application. So what we can do is we can use Extract Pages functionality to start a new process. This becomes a sub-process of the source process. We can extract out the business loan form out of the personal loan application. Optionally, we can delete those pages from the source document. And what this does, it creates a new version of the source document, and also a brand new file in the document repository for the business loan application. Optionally, we can copy data from the source process and create document reference to the documents in the source process. So let's see this in action. So I've logged into the portal and I've activated an activity in the new personal loans process. As you can see, there's some data. We have a customer name, Jamie Johnson. There's a tax ID and several documents. We have a personal loan application, a driver's license, and a tax return. So let's take a look at the personal loan application document. As you can see, it is a personal loan. It has a personal loan application. If I click the second page, I also find there's a business loan application within this document. What we need to do is extract this page out using Extract Pages functionality and create a new process for handling this business loan request. And this is done on the Bookmarks tab. We can click this Extract Pages icon to bring up the Extract Pages dialog. Before we do that, I want to show you a feature. If there are bookmarks defined, you can actually select one or more of the bookmarks. You can use Control-Click to select multiple. And then when you click Extract Pages, this will be pre-filled. This is a nice feature, considering this is a modal dialog. So once this dialog opens, you will not be able to interact with the document. So once you get here, we have our page range. We need to select a process to start. In this case, a new business loans. Also, we need to select the documents, the document classification. In this case, we want this to be a business loan application, so it defaults to the correct document. As you can see, I have other selections here. I could send it to process attachments. I could classify this as a business license, and in that case, I would also have perhaps a different document type. By default, it should put it in the correct classification, which is business loan application. I also have options to delete the pages out of the source document. We'll mark that. Also to copy annotations and bookmarks, and to copy the process data from the source document to the new process we're starting. So let's click OK. Here we have an informational messages telling us that our new process has been started. And also it asks us if we'd like to view the spawned activities. We'll say yes. And we're presented with a work list. This is a standard work list. In this case, there's only one activity in our work list. It's a new index for the business loan application. And if we come over here to actions, we can launch process details for this newly started process. We'll expand process history. You can see our new personal loans process is the root process, and this new business loan process that we started is a sub-process of that new business loan process. The descriptors have been copied over to the new business loan process. the extract pages uses the spawning API. So if you do copy data, it will use the same semantics as spawn. And if we go to process documents, you can see that our documents came over as well. So we have our new business loan, our tax return, and our driver's license all came over, and they were put in the correct slot. They were not copied over as process attachments. They were copied as tax return and as driver's license. So let's take a look at this the business loan application that we just created from the extract pages from the extraction. So we have a document. It has a single page in it. It's business loan as we expected. Now this is a new document in the document repository. If I go back to the original document, the source document, I'll see that it is one page as well, because we chose to have the extracted pages deleted. Okay, so we have our personal loan where it needs to be, our business loan where it needs to be. One more thing, I wanted to show you, if I click this, I can see the previous version of the source document, and here you can see we have, in this previous version, we have the personal loan application and the business loan application. Some considerations for working with extract pages. First off, it's supported through the native TIFF viewer, and the native TIFF viewer only supports TIFFs, so this will not work for PDFs or any other type of document. It does leverage the Spawn API to start new processes and copy data from the source process. For more information about Spawn, you can view the Spawn walkthrough video. Because it does use the Spawn API, users will need the Spawn process permission and grants to a manual trigger in order to start new processes. The extract pages does create a new document for the extracted document fragment in the document repository, and for the source document we create a new version. Extract pages can be globally disabled, and the option to delete pages that are extracted out of the source document can also be globally disabled. This concludes the extract pages walkthrough.